Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Skillet. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a super interesting DeFi passive income project called TFVPM. Now, this is a platform that offers a wide range of investment options, and depending on which options you choose, the daily payouts range from 1.3% all the way up to 2.8% daily ROI. So definitely some very nice returns here. Now, this project has already been successfully up and running and paying out every single day for over 2 months now. And there's been a good bit of hype surrounding this project, with the consensus being that this one is slated to be a much longer term project than most other staking platforms out there, and based on its history so far, it does seem to be working quite nicely indeed. And I've actually been hearing about this project for a while from some other crypto investor friends of mine who kept singing its praises, saying, hey, you gotta check this one out, it's been paying out consistently with absolutely no issues, it is a legit platform. So I decided to go ahead and try it out for myself, and lo and behold, I can confirm that it is working perfectly for me as well. So I'm here bringing it to you guys because that's what we do here at the Crypto Skillet channel. We're all about sharing excellent opportunities to earn passive income in DeFi and in the crypto space generally, and this one does seem like one of those hidden gems that's just too good not to share. Now, I will say that the user interface itself isn't exactly the prettiest, nor is it the most obvious to navigate at first, so I'm going to make it super easy for you guys and show you exactly how everything works, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what you're doing and you'll be zipping around the platform like a pro. So guys, make sure you stick around for this entire video because I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about TFVPM. And of course, after watching this review, if you want to check it out for yourself, I've got a link down below in the description where you can get started right away. But first, before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, welcome to Crypto Skillet, where we talk about all things crypto and I share the latest and greatest DeFi projects and ways to earn passive income in the crypto space. So if that's your cup of tea, go ahead and leave a thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the channel. And do keep in mind that none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an investor sharing my thoughts, experiences, and opinions. So always do your own due diligence and never invest more than you're willing to lose into any crypto project. And now with that said, let's get into it. All right, so here we are inside my account on the TFVPM platform. And again, as I told you guys, it's not exactly the prettiest user interface ever, but of course I'm an investor. I don't really care about aesthetics. What I care about is, does this actually pay? And it definitely does. So let me go ahead and show you how to navigate around this platform. Okay, if you look down here, you'll see these 5 buttons. You've got homepage, discovery, market, community, and my account. So we're currently on the homepage and they show you some of the 3 most popular plans right here, but we can actually see all of their plans if we click on discovery. Now we're going to come back to this. I'm going to show you all of their plans, but first let me show you some basic setup that you need to go ahead and do when you first sign up. So we're going to come down here and click on my account. Now when you first sign up using my link down below, you're going to enter all your basic information, and that is going to include your login password. But you may want to go ahead and set up your withdrawal password as well. Okay, that's a password that you're going to need to use in order to make a withdrawal from the platform. So you can go ahead and set that up right at the beginning by clicking on this button right here that takes you into your setup page. And you see you can change your login password or change the withdrawal password, or you can also set up your language. Now again, you will have already set up your login password when you first create your account, so you can click this button right here to go ahead and set up your withdrawal password. Okay, then when you're done with that, we can come back here to the main My Account page. And the next thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and do what's called binding your wallet. And that really just means connecting the wallet that you want to withdraw with to the platform. Okay, so you can click right here where it says binding. And now you can see I've already got a wallet set up, but you can click on this right here, and this allows you to add a new wallet. Okay, so you see your choices here. You can use TRC20, ERC20, or Bitcoin. Now, I always prefer TRC20 given these choices, simply because it's just much faster and it has a lot lower fees than if you were to use ERC20 or even Bitcoin. So if you've never set up a TRC20 wallet before, it's super easy. Okay, TRC20 means that it's on the Tron network, so you're not going to be able to use MetaMask because MetaMask does not support the Tron network, but you can just use a browser extension like TronLink, which is essentially the same thing as MetaMask, but just for the Tron network. Okay, so just make sure that you have a little bit of TRX inside that wallet. That's going to be used for the gas fees. And then once you've got that wallet set up, you can just copy that wallet address and enter it right here. And then you're going to need a verification code. So you're going to click right here in blue where it says send verification code, and that's going to send a code to your email address that you used to sign up with. So then all you have to do is just copy that verification code, paste it right here, and then click submit. And that's all you've got to do. Okay, so then once you've done that, you'll be set up with your wallet that'll be ready to make withdrawals. But of course, before we can actually make a withdrawal, we've got to first invest into one of their plans. Now, the way that this platform works is that you must first deposit some USDT onto the platform. And then once you've done that, you can use that USDT that's in your account to invest into any of their plans. Okay, so the way that you actually go about making a deposit is by recharging. Okay, so right here where it says recharge, we're just going to click right here. And then in this box, you're going to enter the amount of USDT that you want to use to make your deposit. Okay, so if you wanted to deposit 500 USDT, you would just type 500. And then right here, you're going to select between TRC20 or ERC20. Okay, so just choose whichever one of those you're going to be using and then click recharge. And then it's going to give you an address where you can send exactly that amount of USDT. And again, just make sure that you're using the right network. So if you've got TRC20 selected, make sure that you're sending it on the Tron network. And same goes if you're using the ERC20 network. All right, then once you've done that, you will be able to see that amount in your account balance. That's going to show up right here at the top. And then at that point, you're ready to go ahead and start looking at investing into their plans. Okay, so right here down at the bottom where it says discovery, this is where we're going to see all of these plans that they have to offer. Now, they have two different kinds of plans. They've got fixed term funds and compound interest funds. So first, let's take a look at their fixed term funds. So this first one pays 1.3% average daily profit. So if we click right here, you can see all the information about this plan. So this one lasts for 1 day. And again, that is going to pay a total amount of 1.3%. Now, these plans do have a transaction fee, but it is very small. It's just 0.3%. Okay, that's a management fee of the subscription amount, and that will be charged daily. So in this case, this is only a 1-day plan. So that is going to take 0.3% off of that 1.3%. So that means that your net profit is going to be 1% even on this first plan. Then the second plan, this one gives you 1.33% daily profit for an estimated total earning of 4%. And that is because this one lasts for 3 days. Okay, so your total earnings are actually 3.99%, so basically 4%. And again, this one does have a 0.3% daily management fee. And again, they've got all the details listed right here. So you can see the minimum purchase amount. This one's just $20. You can see the fund type, the expected income, etc. And now this third plan, if we click right here, you can see this is a 5-day plan. This one gives you 1.38% daily profit. So at the end of that 5-day period, that comes out to 6.9% total earnings. Now, the minimum investment amount with this one is just $50. And of course, there is that 0.3% management fee. And then this fourth plan, let's check this one out. This one lasts for 7 days, and this one gives you 1.46% daily profit. So that comes to a total earning of 10.22%. Okay, pretty incredible earnings for just 1 week. Now, this one has a minimum purchase amount of $100. And then the fifth plan. So this one lasts for 15 days, and this one gives you 1.59% daily profit. So that's going to be a total earnings amount of 23.85%. Now with this one, the minimum purchase amount is $500. And for all of these plans and these little blue bubbles, you can see the kinds of trading that are involved with generating these profits for each one of these plans. Okay, so like these first 4 use foreign exchange along with digital currency, and then this fifth plan uses foreign exchange, commodities, and digital currencies. Okay, so that's all the fixed term funds. So now let's take a look at the compound interest funds that they offer. So if we check out this first one, this one lasts for 30 days, and this one gives you 1.43% daily profits. And now that's going to give you an estimated net profit of 42.9%. Now with these plans, they actually show you the net profit. So they are including that daily management fee. Okay, that's why it's called net profit, not the gross profit. And you can see for this plan, the minimum purchase amount is $1,000. Then their second plan under compound interest funds, let's take a look at this one. This one lasts for 45 days, and the average daily profit here is 1.57%. So that gives you an estimated net profit of 70.65%. And the minimum purchase amount with this one is $1,000. And then the third compound interest plan, this one lasts for 60 days, and this one gives you 1.74% daily profit. So that's an estimated net profit of 104.4%. So now we're in the territory where we're over doubling our money here, okay? Now with this one, the minimum purchase amount is $1,000 yet again. And now the next plan, this one gives you 2.3% daily, and it lasts for 90 days. So that's going to come out to an estimated net profit of 207%. So now we're talking about actually over tripling your money with this plan. Okay, and still a $1,000 minimum purchase amount for this plan. And then finally, this last plan under the compound interest funds, this one lasts for 120 days. days, and it pays an average daily profit of 2.8%, so that comes out to a staggering 336% net profit. And again, this one has a $1,000 minimum purchase amount. Now for all of these plans, you can use this calculator feature down here and enter the amount that you want to invest. So like if you wanted to invest $1,000, you can click begin to calculate, and you'll see that at the end of that period, after all the fees, that's going to come out to $3,360 out of that $1,000 investment. Okay, so feel free to use that calculator when you're looking at any of these plans. Okay, now there is no limit on how many of these plans that you can purchase. So you can have a lot of these running all at one time. Okay, you can have one plan on a daily plan, another one on a 5-day plan, and maybe a couple more on some of the longer term compound interest fund plans. It's completely up to you, but you can structure it in a way where you get to withdraw every single day if you want. Again, it all comes down to your own personal strategy, your own risk tolerance, and your personal investment preferences. So now let me show you how to actually go about investing in one of these plans. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and invest in this plan right here. So you'll see down here at the bottom, there's a button that says buy. So I'm going to go ahead and click right here, and this box pops up and it says enter the amount to be purchased. So I'm going to go ahead and invest 300 USDT in this one. So I'm going to type 300 right there. And then you can simply come down here, make sure that you read the relevant risk disclosure statement and click right here to confirm that, and then click the confirm button. And there you go. You see it has now been successfully ordered. I have opened this strategy right here for an amount of $300 that was taken out of my account balance. So it's just that simple. That's all you've got to do. Now, when you receive your payouts, they just show up automatically in your account balance. So then when you want to withdraw, you'll just click the withdraw button. Then here under withdrawal method, you're going to select the type of withdrawal. Okay, I've only got a TRC20 wallet set up, so that's the one that I would select. So you would just select that. Then your withdrawal address will automatically populate right here. Okay, that's just going to be based on the wallet that you've already binded to the platform, which I showed you guys how to do earlier. Okay, then in this box right here, you just enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Now there is a very small service charge if the amount you're withdrawing is over 200 USDT. So if it's less than that, then you don't have to pay any fees at all to make your withdrawal. But if it's over that, then it's going to be 0.2%. Again, a very, very low fee. So then it'll show you the actual amount that you're getting after that fee right here once you've entered the cash amount. And then the last step in this box is to enter your withdrawal password, which again, I showed you guys how to set up earlier in this video. So then once you've entered that, you can simply click submit, and then it's going to send those funds straight to your wallet. Okay, I've already done this twice. You can see my latest withdrawal right here on the Block Explorer. This was about 7 hours ago, and both times that I've made withdrawals, it usually takes about 5 minutes, maybe a little bit less. So it is super, super fast. Now down at the bottom, they also have this market button right here, and this just shows you the exchange rate on some of these different assets that they use on this platform. So you can filter this by all assets, or you can choose just foreign exchange, or you can choose commodities or digital currency. And then down here on the community tab, they've got different media that you can check out. They've also got some information and study, which gives you some very informative articles that you can go ahead and read if you're interested. Now back on the homepage tab, they also have this report right here that allows you to see the weekly reports. And you can also see daily and monthly reports as well. So if I click on one of these, it breaks down all of their transactions on the platform, and it breaks it down by the type of asset. So here are all the forex transactions, and if I scroll down a little farther, you can see commodities are down here, and then finally down here there are the digital currency transactions as well. So you can see the pairs that they're trading, the type of transaction, whether it's a buy or a sell, the entry price, entry time, exit price, exit time, and the total P&L. Now back under the My Account tab, they also have a Telegram channel and a Telegram group, and if you've been following my channel for a while, this will come as no surprise to you, but I highly recommend that if you're gonna get invested with any project, that you also join their social communities as well. So definitely check out their Telegram group and their Telegram channel. And if you need any assistance, they also have this online service, and that's where they offer 24-hour customer support. And then you can also check out your transaction records. Then here they have a little bit more information about the company. And here where it says BTC, you can also click here to look at some of their guidelines for using BTC on their platform, because they are a little bit different than USDT. But of course, with these kinds of projects, I generally prefer USDT. I like stable coins. And again, when it comes to USDT TRC20 as opposed to ERC20, I typically always go for TRC20, but of course that is completely up to you. So guys, there it is. That is TFVPM. Again, this one has been around for 2 months now, and it's been paying out consistently this entire time. Again, I've been hearing a lot of really good things from people who are kind of in the know on these kinds of projects, not just from random people. And now, having used this myself, I can confirm this one does actually work very well. In fact, it all works perfectly. I haven't had any problems whatsoever. So I'm super intrigued by this project. And of course, in DeFi, sort of the holy grail would be a project that pays out excellent returns and also lasts for a very long time. And I'm definitely hoping this is going to be one of those projects. Okay, it certainly has a tremendous amount of promise, but of course it is DeFi, and everything in DeFi comes with no guarantees, right? Anything can happen, but we have to make our best educated guesses. And based on what I've seen, I really do like this platform. I'm going to continue using it. So make sure you stay tuned to this channel because I'm going to be making update videos about this project. So once again, guys, if you want to go ahead and check it out for yourself, you can get started using the link down below in the description. And if you got value out of this video, do me a favor and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It only takes a second and it really does help out the channel, so I would greatly appreciate it. And if you enjoy hearing about these new and upcoming DeFi projects and ways to make passive income in the crypto space, then be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on a future video. Also, feel free to follow me on X and join my Telegram group so you can stay connected. And I've got links for both of those down in the description below. And guys, once again, remember that everything in crypto should be considered high risk, high reward. So follow those golden rules of DeFi, do your own due diligence, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. All right, guys, that's all for now. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.